Ready to up the dish? Dessert lasagna.
Dessert lasagna? Now that's a crazy cool idea. Missy, I like your style.
Chocolate, raspberries, mascarpone, peanuts, and white chocolate. When we were kids, my parents used to get this brand of peanut butter, and when you opened it for the first time, there was a single peanut right on top. My sister Katie and I, we fought over this peanut. Who's laughing now, Katie? Buttery white chocolate and cream melting together. Crepes spiked with chocolate.
Wait, crepes are pancakes. Are you making chocolate pancakes? That's tremendous!
I don't know about you, but I want something creamy in my lasagna. All this decadence needs something bright. Sweet, tart, raspberry coulis. Chocolate crepes. I'm so happy right now.
C'est Paris.
Everybody knows chocolate and peanuts are best friends. Honey, friends with everybody.
Mascarpone is an Italian cream cheese. Can't find it? Use your favorite cream cheese.
Get ready for the show.
All right, Missy, let's stack it up.
Surprise. Just needs one more thing. Here's to you, Katie. Now it's a party. Love you, sis. Dessert lasagna. Who knew?